In this video, I'm going to teach you how to evaluate rational exponents. So if we have two problems here that we're going to work on, simplify 64 to the negative 1/6 and 216 to the 2/3. So these are rational exponents, okay, because they're negative and they're fractions. So step one, the negative exponent means take the reciprocal. So we're going to work on this one first. So that means this all goes into the denominator and this changes sign, okay? And the negative just means it's 1 over all of this, okay? So now, step two, the exponent 1 over 6 means the 6th root. That's what that means. So 64 to the 1 over 6 is the 6th root of 64. Okay, so that's how you write that. So what same number multiplied 6 times gives you 64? That's what you're trying to figure out for this. Okay, so we know that 2, since 64 equals 2 to the 6, then when we put that in here, instead of 64, we're going to put 2 to the 6 because they're equivalent. The 6th root and the 6th power cancel each other out here, and we're just left with 2. Okay? Just like in a square root, if it was a 2 here and then just a regular square root, the power of 2 would cancel out the square root sign. It's the same idea here with the 6th root. So finally, we can write this 1 over 64 to the 1/6 equals 1 over 2, because this whole expression equals 2, so it's 1 over 2. So now let's go to this side and work on this one. So the exponent 2/3 means first take the cube root, the denominator of 3, right, is a cube root, and then square the result. The numerator of 2 means square, okay? So the cube root of 216 is what we're trying to simplify first. So what same number multiplied 3 times gives you 216? Well, it's 6. 6 to the 3 gives you 216. 6 multiplied 3 times gives you 216. So when you take the cube root of that, you're just left with 6 because the power of 3 cancels out the cube root. And you're just left with 6. Now we can square it. So 6 squared equals 36. So finally, 216 to the power of 2/3 equals this. This is how you would write it without having to go through all these steps. So you would take the cube root of 216 and then you square the entire thing. Okay, so that's how you would do that. So then you could easily put that in, which is what we calculated here. And we know these cancel, so you're left with 6 in here in the brackets. And then you square it and you're left with 36. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.